Asexuality is a sexual orientation characterized by a lack of sexual attraction to others. Asexual individuals, often referred to as aces, do not experience the same level of sexual desire or attraction that is commonly found in people of other sexual orientations. Here are some key points to understand about asexuality and asexual individuals. Asexuality is a valid sexual orientation. Asexuality is a legitimate and valid sexual orientation, just like being heterosexual, homosexual, or bisexual. It is a part of the natural spectrum of human sexuality. Aces can have romantic attraction, while asexual individuals do not experience sexual attraction. Many of them can still experience romantic attraction. Asexuality is separate from one's romantic orientation, which can be heteroromantic, homoromantic, biromantic, panromantic, aromantic, or another variation. Asexuality is not the same as celibacy. Asexuality is not the same as celibacy, which is a choice to abstain from sexual activity. Asexuality is an inherent aspect of a person's sexual orientation, not a decision to refrain from sex. Diversity in asexuality. Asexuality is not a monolithic identity. Aces can have diverse experiences and feelings about sex, relationships, and intimacy. Some may be sex repulsed and have no interest in sexual activity, while others may be more sex neutral or sex favorable. Respecting boundaries. It's important to respect the boundaries and preferences of asexual individuals. Just as with any other sexual orientation, consent and communication are essential in any intimate relationship. Visibility and acceptance. Asexuality has gained more visibility and acceptance in recent years, but asexual individuals may still face misunderstanding or discrimination. Supporting and respecting asexual individuals' identities and choices is crucial. Relationships. Aces can engage in a variety of relationships, including romantic relationships, that do not necessarily involve sexual activity. These relationships are based on emotional connection and other forms of intimacy. Community and resources. There are communities and resources available for asexual individuals to connect, share experiences, and find support. Online forums and organizations can be valuable sources of information and community for aces. It's essential to recognize and respect the diversity of human sexuality and the validity of different sexual orientations, including asexuality. Understanding and supporting asexual individuals is a crucial step toward building a more inclusive and accepting society.